Hey everyone! Today I really want to talk about some things that I wish I knew before I started college, so whether you're about to start your first year or you're still deciding where to go, this is for you. I think the most important thing to grasp in this entire process is that you're not supposed to have it all figured out. I came in thinking that everyone already knew what they wanted to major in because they already knew what they wanted to do in their life, what clubs they wanted to join, social events they wanted to go to, but shocker, it's not true. Everyone is just figuring it out day by day, just like you will. I also thought that my major had to match my career forever. When I was applying to colleges, I actually applied to be a physiology major everywhere because I really wanted to be a pediatrician. But then literally the summer before I started my freshman year, I changed my major completely to business administration, and now I work in marketing, and that's totally different than being a doctor, but I wouldn't have it any other way. But for some reason I had this idea in my head that if I didn't pick the right one, I'd mess up my future, but that was totally illogical. It's actually so common, and most people end up pivoting whether they're still in college or after, but the most important thing that's not your major is just developing all of your skills and learning how to be a learner. I didn't really understand the scope of what academic advisors or the Career Center were there for or how they could help you until after I graduated, so definitely use them. They're there to help you, whether it's just seeking advice from the advisors or even your faculty and professors in general, asking for the extra help, going to office hours, seeking career and job hunting advice even before you're looking for a job. That's what they're there for, and they're actually really helpful. In the beginning, when you first get to college, say yes to a lot, like pretty much everything, even if it feels awkward. Go to events, meet new people, smile, say hi, walk around. You got this, and that's how you're gonna meet actually most of the people and feel more confident in your presence there. However, later on, learn to say no too. Setting up boundaries and accepting that burnout is real is really important. It's important to protect your peace, your time, and your energy. Put yourself first. College is a lot. It is so much fun, but it's also really challenging, chaotic, crazy, but altogether, it's like the best time of your life. So really enjoy it and just accept that you're not gonna do it perfectly and let that be okay. So remember to show up, stay open, and remember you're there to grow, not just academically, but personally too. College is meant to help you learn more about yourself, the things you're interested in the world, the things you like and don't like, and it's really fun expressing free will and getting to learn yourself independently, so really enjoy it. We'd love to know if this was helpful or if there's other things that you're excited to learn more about or if you're still nervous about, so let us know and we'll be happy to help however we can, and we'll see you next time. Bye!